Hi guys, my name is Kelly and I'm a full-time reseller on sites like Poshmark and ThredUp. My store and Instagram name are both rebel_rose_co. Today I'm just going to be doing a quick thrift haul for you. If you like this video, if you could give it a thumbs up and comment and subscribe, that would mean a lot to me. Okay, so I'm not going to say the cost of goods for each item. Everything was under $10, mostly under $5. So the first thing is a pair of pajamas. I don't usually pick up pajamas. The brand is Karen Mabin. I think that's how you say it. They're like satin. So these are the pants. I'll show you the top. It has pictures of famous books. It's really cool. It has The Shining by Stephen King, The Secret Garden, Moby Dick, Pride and Prejudice, The Bell Jar, The Great Gatsby. Try and show you more of them, all the like classic books. It's super cool. So I think that this is probably gonna go for like, I haven't looked up comps on any of these things, but I think this is gonna go for a pretty decent amount. Also, I am filming this video before I list all these things, so I don't have like comps and stuff. I'm gonna try and be better in the future about listing and then filming a video where I can tell you how much I listed them for, how much I want to get for them. But for today, I'm not doing that. Okay, the next item was figs. It's like what nurses and like doctors wear, like scrubs. And they have pockets in the front. This is definitely a Bolo brand. These sell for a lot, so I was super happy to find this. Actually, later in the haul, I have, if I brought it in with me, I have a set from that brand. So this is just Uniqlo, but it's super cute. Pineapple pajamas, that was the bottom. This was the top. Uniqlo doesn't sell for a whole lot, but this was just a cute novelty print, so I picked that up. The next is Diane Ron Fersenberg. This is a blazer. It's a little bit of like a dated style. But I got them for really cheap. So the pants came with it, and so I sent these into ThredUp because the style was older. Oh, there's the brand. They sent me back my entire bag of very expensive stuff. There was Giorgio, Armani, all kinds of expensive stuff. Vince. This covered in some weird like liquid, and most of the stuff in that bag was not washable, so I still need to email them about that. Hopefully they'll give me like a refund, but these pants are stained now. I don't know if you can see, I did wash them, but yeah, that makes the value go down because nobody wants to buy stained dress pants. So next this is a brand that's everywhere in the thrift stores, and I don't usually pick it up, but it can sell for a decent amount. This is Talbots. I just sold a pair of jeggings from them for $17, but this is a 100% genuine leather midi skirt, and it's an army green color. It's suede. It's in pretty good condition. I think it's vintage. But yeah, that brand can be good to pick up. Okay, this next item, okay, it was $3 at the thrift store. I need to take that off. It retailed for $58. It's new with tags, so it's not that great, but it's Catherine Malandrino. I think I'm saying that right. But it's just a cute little shirt, and it has like a mock neck and these like mesh sleeves. I just got it because it was pretty cute. So I'm probably gonna list that at like 30, maybe 35, just to see. Okay, this next one is Soft Jouet. I'm not even sure how to say that. This is one of those brands that retails for a lot but does not resell for a lot. It's 8% wool. It does have a bit of pilling, so I have to use my like de-pillar on it. But I'll probably list it at like 40, and we'll see what happens. This dress was very interesting to me. It was Jacqueline Conner. I'm not even sure. I'm pretty sure it's vintage. It's red. It's satin. It's a maxi. So when I looked at it, I was like, this is probably silk or polyester. It's I think 100% wool, and it's like a satin. So I've never seen wool that looks like silk. So that was really interesting. These can retail for a lot of money. So yeah, it's in really good condition, so we'll see how that goes. It's just a very interesting item. We got a pair of Babaton pants. I'll definitely use Lag and Look in the style tags and in the description because it definitely has that look. These are super cute. They can be casual. They could be dressed up. Okay, the next one is Allison Olivia. This brand is very expensive. This probably retailed for like 300 bucks. Resale value is not as great. It's like this floral, like crochet lace, and it's white, but they're in really good condition. So, yeah, I'll probably list that for a decent amount and then take offers. Okay, next is Vince. This is also one of those brands that retails for a lot of money. Doesn't always resell for a lot, but it can. It's just a striped sweater, and it's just cotton. So I'll probably list this at 35 and take offers. But yeah, it's pretty cute. Okay, this next one was pretty cool. The brand is Cedar Sport. It's vintage. It's 100% silk, but it was new with tags, and you don't see new with tags vintage items often. So I was happy to see that, and it's this really pretty blue color. So yeah, silk and vintage and new with tags, so that's pretty cool. This is another Figs. It's a whole set this time, and this was very cheap, so I was super happy. These are the pants. When I took pictures of it though, the color looked like a little different, so I hope that I can somehow edit the photos to look more like the actual color. So that was the pants, and then the top, it's like inside out. It's pretty cool. It has like pockets on the inside and the outside. But yeah, so if you see this brand, definitely pick it up. It does very well. Okay. Next is Eileen Fisher. I might send this into ThredUp, I might not. It's just a basic sweater. Eileen Fisher has done very well for me on ThredUp. I've sold multiple pieces for over $100. I'm not seeing a material tag. Yeah, there's no material tag, which kind of sucks, but yeah, we'll see what I end up doing with that. Okay, this next one, I didn't just get it. This is like my stuff I'm gonna be listing, but this came back from ThredUp. It didn't end up selling. It's just a Giorgio Armani skirt, new with tags. I was hoping it would sell on there because I've sold Giorgio Armani for almost $200 on there. It doesn't seem to sell super well on Posh, but I don't really want to be sending things into ThredUp right now after they sent me my stuff stained, so I'm gonna list this on Poshmark and see how it does. Okay, this next dress is super cool. The brand is La Parisienne. I'm not sure. I think it's vintage just because it like looks vintage, but it's like a maxi dress. It's like a formal dress, and it has these really cool cutouts, and it almost looks like, like Wonder Woman's like costume or something. Like that's what it looks like, kind of. It's super cool. And I think it was made, yeah, it was made in the USA. It feels like really good quality, so yeah, I'm excited to look that up and see how that brand does. And then this is just the brand Stars Above, which I think might be Target. It's just a cute little pajama set. It's polka dots and it's satin, so I got a lot of pajamas this time around, but yeah, these are super cute. Okay, next was this bag. It says Italy here, and it's like I'm not good at describing bags. I don't sell them often. So it doesn't seem like it's long enough to be crossbody, probably just down the side, or maybe, yeah, it could be crossbody. It's like a messenger bag. It's navy blue. Yeah, it doesn't really say anything in here, but I think it's genuine leather, and it says Italy on it, so I'm gonna have to look this up and see. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and a comment. It's just a quick thrift haul before I listed these items. If you like reselling content, please subscribe to this channel. I've been putting videos out 1 to 2 times a week. Thank you. Bye.